Sketchy?
Wild, dude. I'm gonna switch to smaller gloves for my brake.
Oh yeah, dude. That's why I put these on. Oh hell yeah, brother. So this is our first day out in Idaho. Weather's about 40 degrees. I don't have my microphone plugged in right now because I don't have the whole setup done. So we're just going for a little ride today. Do some stunts while I wait for everybody to get here. Oh man, it just feels so good to be back on the bike. Hell yeah, dude!
I've never actually rode this bike with these axle sliders.
I need to get mine put on. I got the TST front and then the same ones you have on the back except for black,
Yeah.
you know. I took my stickers off though because on one of them it was all like laid on wrong and it was like
I want to take them
crinkled.
off, so.
Yeah. Dude, this feels so good. I want to try a stand-up kind of.
I know, I was like dragging my feet to make sure they were dry.
Oh yeah. I'm worried about these boots though.
Yeah. They might hold it though, right in the middle there.
They might, yeah. Oh, hi, Grandpa.
Hey, grandson.
How's it been going?
Yeah, fuck whatever.
What?
I said fuck whatever.
All right. Well.
Back. You know what I mean?
I just want to go ride.
Yeah. Dude, your stand-ups are fine. What are you even talking about?
I know. The first one was sketchy, but that other one was amazing.
Dude, that knee knock you did was fucking... I looked over, I was like, he's got his fucking knee up on the
Like
seat.
right
Goddamn.
back at it. Like, I was like, dude, I'm probably gonna suck after a few months.
That's how I felt, too.
What's your name, man?
Berkeley?
Berkeley. Kevin, nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too.
Dad, he's been around.
Yeah, you guys have met like a million times.
Fuck whatever. I'm old, remember? Alzheimer's is a bitch.
It's 2020. It's a new, you know...
Yeah, right.
Like, I don't know him
I
either.
haven't met you.
I just assumed he was a grandpa because I looked at him. Nice.
Is there too late to go riding or what?
I guess. I don't know.
I mean, the night when it starts to freeze again, yeah, that's late.
Yeah, and then all this wet stuff just turns to ice.
Yeah.
And then we go ice skating with the grums.
Dude, we were out last Monday when the roads were still fucking frozen.
Oh,
That was
shit.
the time.
You're crazy for riding a fucking 1000 RR around. What? filled it up after I bought it, so I'm still good on gas.
Yeah.
How's your hands?
They're a little cold, but they're good.
Yeah, not too bad. Look at it, without my fender, look at that.
Oh yeah.
What are those called when you come up and you bring your legs up?
Spreader.
Dude, those, that, the one that you did over at Toys R Us is fucking sick, man.
I did one, but I'm not used to using my handbrake while I'm sitting down.
He's more foot brake, I'm more hand brake.
I only use the handbrake when I do stand-ups, and I really need to get good at it everywhere so I can do combos.
We'll get there, that's what this year's all about.
Yeah, dude, we're gonna be stunting. We're gonna get Isaiah good. We're gonna get Hayden going.
We're gonna be doing circles, hopefully. Look, they're doing a whole summer's worth of fill-ups for us right there. You ready to bump start your bike again? Oh, nice. Oh, really?
Oh, man.
Oh, God.
I'm sorry, but that was hilarious.
That's so great. My tires did all right, but not too much better than yours, honestly.
You fucking dug a hole in the pavement.
Well, that was right on the top.
We're on power.
Raw power.